That's exactly what motivates me to keep bringing you more realistic price prediction videos like this. And before we wrap up today's video, make sure to check out our VIP group. Since February, we've been catching these market moves consistently, and the results so far have been incredible. The best part? We're not charging thousands of dollars, and there's no lock-in period. Plans start at just $10, and right now, you can get 25% off your first month. You'll find all the links in the pinned comment and in the description below. If you found value in this video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.